Check out this 42-inch ceiling fan with lights that are safe for viewing purposes. A sleek, modern essential that brings comfort, airflow and adjustable lighting to any space. With its compact flash mount design and 5 aerodynamic blades, this ceiling fan delivers powerful, even air circulation, ideal for both small and medium-sized rooms. Its timeless black finish complements any modern decoration, from minimalist spaces to cozy reading corners.
It's minimal, quiet and stylish, just what I need in here at my office.
All of its functions are controlled with just a single remote control, so you can adjust the airflow speed, the brightness, the color temperature, or just the rotation and the direction of the fan blades really easily.
And with just a few clicks I can turn on and off the light, change its temperature, select from one of the 6 speeds settings, or if I want to set a timer up to 4 hours.
Its motor ensures a whisper quiet operation that I think that it's perfect for light sleepers or even for home offices. With 6 adjustable speeds, running from a soft cooling breeze to a more strong air circulation, you are just in full control of your comfort.
It's completely quiet, but you can still feel the airflow when you are moving around and feel it around the room, which I think that is great.
The integrated LED light offers 3 color temperatures: 3000 warm, 4000 neutral light and 6000 cool white, and you can dim it from 10% up to 100% brightness, creating the perfect light for work, relaxation or just sleeping.
I really like to switch up on these warmer tones at night here at the office so I can start winding up and getting ready to leave.
In the summer, the forward rotation can keep your room cool and breezy, while in winter, the reverse airflow circulates warm air evenly, making it perfect for year-round use. One of its best features is that most parts comes pre-assembled, making the installation fast and effortless, and the flush mount design fits even rooms with lower ceilings, giving you style and function in just one compact fan.
It took me less than 10 minutes to install it, as all the pieces are easily identifiable and I think that it's ready to go.
Whether it's a bedroom, dining room or a covered patio, this low-profile ceiling fan can deliver cool comfort and adjustable light for any kind of setting, even for a workspace. Quiet, powerful and effortlessly stylish, this 42-inch ceiling fan with lights can transform any room into a cool, relaxing space for all year-round use.